Hi guys, my name is Yusuf. I live in Canada. A couple weeks ago, I have purchased Jordan McKay's course for the YouTube by 9 to 5 course. I created now almost 3 channels, and I enjoy the course. Very easy to follow, step by step, and even like different ways for example, how to monetize your channel, like how many ways he explains, um yeah. Plus the price is amazing. Is I never saw something like this. um the content against the price is unbelievable. I have enjoyed at least, and I'm following and I'm planning to create. Like I never saw something like this, and so easy to create a YouTube channel. What I thought before, it was so difficult, and I don't want to front of camera, as you guys see now. I don't want to be front of cameras so many times. So yeah, I've enjoyed, and it is clear to follow step by step. And yeah, you have the course there. Anything you doubt in, you can go back, you can look at and listen it and follow it again. And he gives so many websites to go and to search and to monetize your channel so quick as possible. Thank you, Jordan. I have enjoyed, and I'm ready to buy another course on the way. So thank you again. And here's Yusuf. Thank you. Bye bye.